I'd like to share my favorite feature on this NOCO Boost Sport GB20. And also, let's have a closer look. This portable 500 amp UltraSafe car battery jump starter, 12 volt jump starter battery pack, battery booster, jump box, portable charger. It includes jumper cables for up to 4-liter gasoline engine. My favorite feature is the manual override. After you press the power button, press the red exclamation mark, which is the manual override. Basically, this is for batteries that are way too low to be detected by normal standard operation. So you'll feel confident when you have to jumpstart a completely dead battery. Please note the warnings by NOCO for this operation. Also, please follow the normal NOCO boost instructions. Now let's have a closer look at all the features. It includes rubber covers on all the connectors. Here's the power connector. On the left is the USB port, and on the right is the charging port. It only weighs 2.4 pounds. The LED flashlight is 100 lumens and provides plenty of light at night when you need to work on your vehicle. It includes the jumper cable needle nose battery clamps. Here's the jumper cables port. Last but not least, it includes the micro USB cable for charging. I keep this nifty device in the trunk of my vehicle for emergencies and also for the use of the features that are on this device. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.